Yazid had brought the prisoners of Karbala to his court. He thought he would celebrate victory, but then Lady Zainab rose. Her words struck like lightning.
You think you have won? This was no victory. It was but a trial.
Then Imam Zainul Abidin stood and shook the walls with truth.
I am the son of Mecca and Mina, the blood of prophethood.
He was humiliated in front of his own people. What did Yazid do? He panicked. He tried to blame Ibn Ziyad. He tried to release the family quietly, and even offered gifts, which the Ahlul Bayt rejected with dignity. The caravan leaving Damascus, proud, resilient. Truth shattered the throne of tyranny. And Yazid, he lost long before his crown fell.